Hi everyone, I'm Shane from iKeyless, and this is a keyless entry remote that's compatible with many Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles. This device is an OEM fob, which stands for Original Equipment Manufactured, which means this is the same type of remote you can get at the dealership. The remote features 3 buttons: lock, unlock, and panic. It has horizontal lines running across its durable, square-shaped design, with a small keyring at the base of the shelf for easy attachment. This remote is compatible with a variety of vehicles across many years. It replaces remotes with the same button configuration and these FCC IDs. You can locate your remote's FCC ID on the back of the shell. Be sure to check the compatibility table on this page to make sure it works with your vehicle. If you have any questions, our industry-leading customer support team is here for you. Don't forget, we offer hassle-free returns for your convenience. iKeyless offers replacement keyless entry remotes at a huge savings over dealership prices. With prices this low, you can have spares for other drivers or get extras just in case. No matter what you need when it comes to replacement keys and remotes, choose from the best selection on the web. At the internet's first, and still the best, online retailer of automotive keys and keyless entry remotes, iKeyless.com.